Hey everyone, all the amazing people here meeting like Shivam. Nice to meet you, Shivam.
Hi.
Shivam, introduce about yourself and tell us about how this AI Sensei can be helpful for especially like doctors, dermatologists, pediatrician, eye doctors, and like business owners, coaches, consultants, right? What is this kit actually? And you can start with your introduction.
So I handle the content here at AI Cincy, and
Wow.
so let me brief you about this AI Cincy showroom kit.
Hmm.
What you're seeing right here is the AI Cincy showroom kit. This kit is a magic in itself. This can, bring customers right on your WhatsApp. So there are many customers. So let's say take the example of doctors only. So for doctors, there are many people who visit almost daily, and one of the major pain points is that the doctors do not know that the arranging the calls is a very hard part.
Yeah.
So there's no segregated or clear system for them to book appointments or schedule calls. So what this kit can help them drive is it contains a QR stand, and let me just show you.
Yeah. It looks amazing. It's very simple to handle, right?
Exactly, it's a 3-step literally setup
How many
process.
minutes it will take to
Set it up.
Yeah.
It'll take less than a minute. I've done it myself. So this
Less
is
time
how
than
the
a Maggi.
QR stand looks like,
Yeah.
and so I'll keep it back here. So let's say it's placed like this.
Yeah. Yeah. Just beside the
It
consultation,
will be
whatever.
placed
they do.
like this on the doctor's desk,
Hmm.
and the customer can simply send a hi on WhatsApp by scanning this.
Absolutely.
And when the customer scans, there will be a pre-filled message,
Yep.
and for that, the doctors and the marketing team can create a chatbot. Now that chatbot will ask the user questions like what's your name and what type of an appointment are you looking for. They'll mention their problem they are facing and the solution they are looking for, and the entire details will be captured via the chatbot, and it can by automation or integration it can go to a sheet or a CRM itself if they are using a CRM. So that's
What
the
will
entire
be the cost of it? Like, and how can one grab it?
See, the cost of this AI Cincy showroom kit is 329 rupees if you go to shop.aicincy.com.
Amazing.
And for AI, if you are to use this entire use case, you'll have to take the WhatsApp Business API with AI Cincy. Taking the WhatsApp API is free, but the AI Cincy platform has a cost. If you purchase any plans, their plans start at 1500,
Yep.
and if you have to use the chatbot feature, it costs 2500 per month extra.
Yeah. Thank you so much. It was amazing meeting you. And have a great day, guys. Do check it out. You need to grab this to expand your business to like next level, because every Indian uses like almost WhatsApp if they are not on social media, and that's how you can take your revenue exponentially to like next level. Good meeting you. Have a great day. Bye bye. See you
Bye.
all.